Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to test your knowledge of word meanings and antonyms. For each question, you are going to choose the most suitable word pair from the options. Let's begin. Question 1. Because Alex is so dash, he is dash. The correct option is unpleasant and unpopular. Because Alex is so unpleasant, he is unpopular. Question 2. Sam was not dash and had to go to doctor so that he wouldn't be dash anymore. The correct option is C. Healthy and sick. Sam was not healthy and had to go to doctor so that he wouldn't be sick anymore. Question 3. The movie was so dash that we all felt dash afterwards. The correct option is B. Boring, sleepy. The movie was so boring that we all felt sleepy afterwards. Question 4. Sarah studied very dash, so she scored dash in the test. The correct option is C. Hard, well. Sarah studied very hard, so she scored well in the test. Question 5. The shop was dash, so we decided to come back when it was dash. The correct option is A. Closed, open. The shop was closed, so we decided to come back when it was open. Question 6. He was so dash during the meeting that nobody wanted to talk to him afterwards. The correct option is D. Rude. He was so rude during the meeting that nobody wanted to talk to him afterwards. Question 7. After exercising for 2 hours, she felt dash and needed to dash. The correct option is B. Tired and rest. After exercising for 2 hours, she felt tired and needed to rest. Question 8. The teacher was dash with the students who were always dash. The correct option is B. Angry, late. The teacher was angry with the students who were always late. Question 9. The weather was so dash that we decided to go for a dash. The correct option is A. Sunny and picnic. The weather was so sunny that we decided to go for a picnic. Question 10. The road was dash, so cars had to move very dash. correct option is B. Slippery, slowly. The road was slippery, so cars had to move very slowly. Question 11. Because Tom is very dash, everyone trusts him. The correct option is C. Honest. Because Tom is very honest, everyone trusts him. Question 12. The bag was too dash for her to dash alone. The correct option is B. Heavy, lift. The bag was too heavy for her to lift alone. Question 13. The cake looked dash, but it actually tasted dash. The correct option is C. Delicious and awful. The cake looked delicious, but it actually tasted awful. Question 14. He was dash enough to climb the mountain without any dash. The correct option is A. Brave and fear. He was brave enough to climb the mountain without any fear. Question 15. They decided to dash the old building and dash a new one. The correct option is A. Demolish and build. They decided to demolish the old building and build a new one. Question 16. The child was dash because he had lost his dash. The correct option is C. Sad and pet. The child was sad because he had lost his pet. Question 17. The street was dash, so it was difficult to dash. The correct option is A. Crowded and move. The street was crowded, so it was difficult to move. Question 18. We arrived dash for the meeting, so we didn't miss dash. The correct option is B. Early and anything. We arrived early for the meeting, so we didn't miss anything. Question 19. The shoes were too dash for him, so he bought a dash size. The correct option is A. Small and bigger. The shoes were too small for him, so he bought a bigger size. Question 20. The soup was too dash, so she added more dash. The correct option is B. Salty and water. The soup was too salty, so she added more water. Question 21. The teacher asked a very dash question, but the student gave a dash answer. The correct option is D. Easy and correct. The teacher asked a very easy question, but the student gave a correct answer. Question 22. Because the movie tickets were dash, we decided to watch a movie at dash. The correct option is C. Expensive and home. Because the movie tickets were expensive, we decided to watch a movie at home. Question 23. The park was dash with flowers, making it look very dash. The correct option is B. Full and beautiful. The park was full with flowers, making it look very beautiful. Question 24. The test was so dash that most students finished it dash. The correct option is C. Easy and early. The test was so easy that most students finished it early. Question 25. Because the streets were dash, driving became very dash. The correct option is D. Flooded and difficult. Because the streets were flooded, driving became very difficult. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.